Hi, I'm Raymart Pibictas from BS Crim 2 Hotel, and I'm here to discuss the basic parts of SLR camera and their functions. Number 1. Aperture. The camera's aperture is a diaphragm located in the lens of an SLR camera. It controls the width of the opening that lets light into the camera and influences how much of the depth of photogram is in focus. Number 2. Shutter speed. The SLR camera contains a shutter that determines how long light enters the camera. It controls whether moving objects will appear sharp or blurry. Number 3. Lens. Most SLR cameras have a detachable lens, so you can choose between long, short, normal, or zoom options. You may have to hold down a lens release button on the front of the camera and simultaneously twist to unlock it and remove the lens. Number 4. Shutter release button and film advance lever. The shutter release button works just like its counterpart on a point and shoot camera. When you press it all the way down, the camera makes an exposure. Number 5. Flash hot show. Many SLRs come outfitted with a flash hot shoe on top and in the center of the camera body. The hot shoe is a small area surrounded by two metal or plastic grooves with small circle sensors in the middle. Number 6. Rewind release button and rewinder. While your SLRs automatically rewind film when it is done, this process is manual with an older camera. The film release button is located on the bottom of the camera body underneath where you load the film. Viewfinder. The viewfinder is the area on the camera that you look through in order to compose your shot. For some cameras, an LCD screen is used as a viewfinder, or your camera may have the option to use either one. Next, mode dial. Most cameras today have a variety of functions and automatic features. The mode dial allows you to select different options such as an automatic mode, program mode, sport mode, or macro mode. Focus ring. Film or digital SLR cameras will most likely to have a focus ring. This is a ring typically found on the lens that allows manual control of the camera's focus. You can decide if you want the whole image in focus or just a part of it. LCD screen. The majority of cameras on the market today come standard with an LCD screen. Older film and digital cameras may not have one. The LCD screen is used to view and change options and settings, view pictures after they are shot, and in some cameras as a viewfinder. That's all for SLR camera.